So welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me on today's video, okay? My online friends, I know you guys are going to be there in the likes and the comments on every video, so I'm banking on you guys, okay? So if you don't know already, this is a requested video. I've had so many people asking me to do a week in my hair, and I just, really, to be honest, it's so much work I can't be bothered. But anyway, we're here now, so I'm doing daily uploads for 1 week only. Very short videos just for you to see what my hair looks like, okay? And some of the videos are gonna be like vlogging style, but nevertheless, we are going to do this, okay? All right, you gotta watch me every day, all right? Right, let's get on with it. So yesterday was my live. Who was on the live? So yesterday I did the live on the really great DIY that I do. It's definitely designed for winter, and it's a balance of moisture and, oh, sorry, I was just distracted by sales going on. So I said I was gonna put it on today. Yeah, here we go. This is what my hair looks like in the morning. So slightly flattened, but curls still popping. Whilst my hair was in a pineapple, my satin bonnet did come off last night, which is really annoying. So I do have quite a bit of frizz here, but you know, I'm going to show you what I do. So maybe not today, but tomorrow if I have frizz, I can show you what I do to get rid of that, okay? Okay, so washed my hair just over 24 hours ago. I've put barely any products in my hair. Yes, my hair feels still moisturized, although I have got frizz, but I don't care. The frizz helps with the volume, hey? And I did miss out on doing my weekly treatment, which is why I'm gonna be using this DIY that I did yesterday on my hair. By the time this video goes up, it will actually be last week, Monday. I've got to go out for an appointment, so I'm gonna go out and do that, and then I'll come back and then I'm gonna put that in my hair. So I don't know what I'm going to do to my hair. Probably would be running out like this. Like, I just look like a mad woman, but yeah, I reckon I can get away with it if I just kind of, you know, do the jujin and see if anybody looks at me. I'll give them, no really, we'll see. I'm coming, okay? Okay, really quick before I get into my appointment. Look, I just, oh look, fluffing my hair and everything. Anyway, it doesn't look too bad, but it is really fluffy and very frizzy. I hope they'll be impressed with this bigness and not put off, because I'm meeting some new clients. Anyway, this is what I'm doing. This is where this is where it's at right now. Hopefully later on that mask can tame the frizz. Anyway, I'm going now. I'll see you when I get back. Okay, all right, so it's night time, okay? Time is very precious when you're running a business. Yeah. Anyway, I still haven't put the mask on, but we're gonna do that now. I had to put my hair up because as soon as I came in, yeah, my hair just became really dry because outside in the humidity, as you can see my hair, oh, it was lovely. Actually, my hair was feeling so good, but then I came home and then the heaters are on, aren't they? Because it's winter now, or autumn going into winter, and my hair just felt so dry. And that's the thing about winter time. I just feel like it's not so much outside, it's more about what it's like inside with all the heaters on, the radiators on. It's just drying my hair out. So I've decided I'm gonna have to start putting my hair in protective styles because, sis, you know, winter, I don't want to lose all of this. All of this! It's not going to happen, Satan! Anyway, let's just get off with this, shall we? I'm going to tie my hair in sections, and then I'm just going to finger detangle. I'm going to speed this through because I want to watch something on Netflix, okay? Oh yeah, I'd also like to say, if you've not seen this video for this mask, this DIY, it was on a live. I will link it up here, and you can try it for yourself. It's got loads of slip, and look at that, this just melting at the tangles, and I've got some tangles because my hair is just curled up on itself. Look at the shine on that. Right, that's what I'm talking about. Just gonna do this all the way around. Can you see how it's just soaked in my hair? It's just completely soaked in. Love that for me. So all I'm going to be doing is applying this lovely rich mask. Straight after this, I'm going to be putting on the heated cap. Yeah, definitely needs a trim. That was the exact amount that I needed because that has finished. I'm such a genius. That's brilliant. Usually I have some left over, but that was actually accurate. And I'm going to show you my shedding, which is, so this is shedding that I got, which isn't bad. And in tomorrow's video, you will see what my hair looks like the next day, okay? For now, I will bid you good night, my sister. So guys, I will see you again tomorrow in my next video. Don't forget to tune in, okay? I'm uploading these videos for y'all. So it's good night for me, and I will see you again tomorrow. God bless you. Mwah. Bye.